I'm sure some people are wondering just how good a Bintelli golf cart is at towing a trailer. And I can tell you from experience, because I've been laying a lot of mulch, like dump trucks full of mulch, using this interesting little setup that I've got going on here. I've got a truck bed unloader that I got from Harbor Freight. And once I lay out just a little bit of that, give it a couple scoops of mulch just to make sure I've got enough weight on it to hold the liner here. I can then give it a nice little tug, make sure there's plenty of excess up here at the front, and then load it on up. Now this is one of the last little loads that I'm doing. I had put the whole load over here just to hold it. Made a huge big old mound about yay tall, this huge area. And for the most part, I've had no issues pulling this cart or this trailer as heavy as it can be. Loaded up about this tall the whole way, maybe a few 100 pounds worth of mulch on it. And as you can see, I've got quite a bit of landscaping work to do. Eventually, this whole area right here is going to get wood chipped in all the way up to about right here somewhere. We're going to be planting a bunch of trees and all kinds of stuff out here. Let me show you this trailer contraption real quick. So you can go to the channel page or down in the description, and you'll see how I made this this little hitch setup right here. You can kind of see from these angles here just how I welded it up together. But I think one of the coolest things I've done here with this trailer, I put I think this is a 1x10, hang on, no, 2x10 right here under the lip of this tailgate. And it's just one of those 5x8 Lowe's trailers. This here's the truck bed unloader from Harbor Freight, and then I welded on a socket right here. And what that allows me to do is use the handle that they provided, which is honestly very difficult with the taillight right here, and trying to just crank it half a turn at a time just to get it a little bit at a time. But I got an old impact that was, I don't even know when the last time was that I used this one specifically. And I found one that fit pretty decently inside of it and just ran a crappy little bead around it. Still working on my welding. And right there at the socket is where all the magic happens. Got a big old 1/2-inch adapter on my drill. Got it on low gear. Lets me just plug it in right there. Put a knee behind this because I hate twisting my wrist. Pull the trigger after I move the rake. And off all the wood chips come. And at this point I need to move it forward just a little bit so I don't drown my one banana here. I'm just trying to cover up some gingers and other things just to get a bit of winter and frost protection. And off come the rest of them. Well, most of the rest of them. Anyway, you get the point. So let me know down in the comments if you want me to do a more in-depth video of this trailer and the setup that I've got going on here, because this works excellent if you do like a chip drop, or you've got any rocks or debris or anything that you're trying to load into a trailer and haul around with your golf cart or whatever it is that you have. Works out really, really well. I like it. away we go.